We are in McPherson, Kansas. We are helping the Seastrom family, mom and her 2 kids. They did a little bit of work with us, and then they really just want to get their kids in the basement and have their own bedrooms. Right now they're kind of sharing bedrooms, they want to have their own bedrooms. So we thought what a better way for that to happen than us to kind of help out with this project. Come out on a Saturday, got a bunch of awesome Thrasher employees, about 20 of us out here, just volunteering our time and just helping this family out.
It was just a good feeling for us knowing that we could help somebody that we knew they wanted to live in this house for a long time. They love the community that they live in, and that we could just bless her and not have to have her worry about water anymore.
We actually already installed some egress windows and some power braces, and now we're here waterproofing it. That way she can get her kids down to the basement where they belong.
It's been busy. We got to keep the pace up. It's a pretty big job we got here, but we got enough bodies. It's been good. Gotten to talk to the family a little bit, play around with the kids out in the front yard. It's been great. So it's been a great day.
I think that's one thing that's special about the Thrasher culture is that we want to give back, and people are raising their hands saying, hey, I'll be part of this. And it's just neat because, I mean, these guys already work 40, 50 hours a week. This work isn't easy, and to see that they are willing to do it again on a Saturday to give back just impresses me and makes me proud to be part of what they're doing too.
I love Thrasher. I can't say enough good about them. Every person that I've met has been amazing and very helpful, very honest, and very friendly.
She obviously didn't expect us to do this, and again, Dylan heard the story, and Dylan just transpired it all the way through us, and again, we just thought it was a great opportunity to help her out, just kind of hearing her story, knowing what she's gone through, and just, again, wanted to help out someone here locally in the community.
Walls are supported and they're not going to move, guaranteed for 25 years. Guaranteed water's not going to come in for 25 years. She has 2 egress windows for bedrooms down there. Her plans are to finish the basement, put 2 bedrooms down there in a living room area, and just have a safe place for her kids to live and be able to have bedrooms. And it's just going to be a really nice home for her, and her kids are really going to appreciate it.